Welcome. This presentation is all about maintaining and documenting regular expressions, also known as regex. We'll explore how to write clean, readable, and maintainable regular expressions. This involves effective documentation, proper maintenance, and adhering to best practices to ensure your regular expressions remain understandable and useful over time. Let's start by understanding why regular expressions often become difficult to maintain. Take a look at the example on the left. This seemingly complex string is actually a regular expression for validating IP addresses. Common issues include a lack of documentation, complex patterns that are hard to decipher, an unclear intent making it difficult to understand the purpose of the regex, and the rigidity of the expression, making it challenging to modify or update. All these factors contribute to unmaintainable regular expressions. Now, let's look at some documentation strategies to prevent regular expressions from becoming unmaintainable. One approach is using comments. This includes adding inline explanations within the regular expression itself, describing the overall purpose of the expression, providing example matches that the regular expression should catch, and noting any edge cases that the expression needs to handle. Another strategy is creating separate documentation, which involves giving a detailed breakdown of each part of the expression, including relevant test cases, making notes on the expression's performance, and providing a maintenance guide for future updates. Let's compare the use of comments in regular expressions. First, look at the example without comments. It's just a string defining a pattern. Now, look at the example with comments. Here, the regular expression is broken down with inline comments explaining each part of the pattern, making it much easier to understand. The comments clarify that the expression is for email validation and detail each component, such as the username, @symbol, domain name, dot, and domain extension. Breaking down complex patterns into smaller, more manageable parts can significantly improve readability. Look at the monolithic example. Here, the entire regular expression for a URL is crammed into one line, making it difficult to understand. In the modular example, the pattern is broken down into components like protocol, domain, and path, each with its own regular expression. These components are then combined to form the complete URL pattern. This approach makes the pattern easier to read, understand, and modify. Named groups and verbose mode are powerful tools for improving the clarity of regular expressions. With named groups, you can assign names to different parts of the pattern, making it easier to access them later. In the example, the area code and number are named area and number respectively. You can then access these groups by their names. Verbose mode allows you to add comments and whitespace to your regular expressions, making them more readable. In the example, the regular expression for a phone number is written with comments explaining each part, such as the area code, separator, exchange, and number. The read.verbose flag enables this mode. Testing and validation are crucial for ensuring that your regular expressions work correctly and continue to do so after modifications. The test cases demonstrate how to test a regular expression for email validation. It includes valid cases like user@domain.com and test.email@site.org, as well as invalid cases like invalid.email and @domain.com. Best practices include testing edge cases to ensure the regular expression handles unusual inputs correctly, validating performance to ensure the regular expression doesn't slow down your application, documenting test results for future reference, and performing regular validation to catch any regressions. Here's a summary of the key takeaways from this presentation. First, document everything. Comments and verbose mode make regular expressions readable and maintainable. Second, break it down. Modular patterns are easier to understand and modify. Third, use named groups. Self-documenting code with meaningful group names enhances readability. Fourth, test thoroughly. Comprehensive testing ensures reliability and correctness. Remember, well-documented regular expressions save time and reduce errors in the long run. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.